Hello, dear viewers. Today I would like to talk to you about natural disasters, events that occur on our planet and can have significant impacts on human life. Natural disasters arise from the dynamic nature of our planet and unfortunately can leave profound effects on people, animals, and the environment. Firstly, let's discuss earthquakes. Earthquakes are vibrations that occur due to fractures in the Earth's crust. These vibrations can cause extensive damage and loss of life on the surface. Earthquakes often occur in seismic zones, and it is crucial for structures to be earthquake resistant. Another type of natural disaster is floods, which result from a sudden rise in water levels. Flooding can occur due to heavy rainfall, snowmelt, or dam breaks. Floods often lead to significant damage in low-lying areas. Floods can affect agricultural lands and residential areas, causing substantial economic losses. Hurricanes, typhoons, and tornadoes are also natural disasters caused by the accumulation of moisture in the air. These events are characterized by strong winds, heavy rainfall, and high waves. Hurricanes are particularly common in tropical regions and can cause extensive destruction. Volcanic eruptions are another natural disaster. Lava, ash, and gases emitted from volcanoes can impact surrounding areas and harm ecosystems. Additionally, volcanic eruptions can release gases and particles into the atmosphere, influencing the climate. Lastly, drought is considered a natural disaster. Drought occurs due to insufficient rainfall, leading to the drying of agricultural lands, reduced water sources, and water scarcity. Droughts can have long-term impacts on communities and economies. Being prepared for natural disasters is crucial to minimizing their effects. Emergency plans, building standards, and environmental protection measures can make communities safer in dealing with these events. Let's remember that awareness of natural disasters is essential for our own safety and the protection of our environment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.